Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're gonna make sweet chili mayo with chicken nibbles. So, and it's in the oven. So I've got some chicken and I've got some sweet chili mayo. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try what this is going to taste like. So I'm going to get the tongs. Get the tongs. And then spread the chicken around. And get the get the I'm going to use spread. Yep. And then sprinkle this around. Actually, so we got this. So we got so it should be out. So I'm going to cut it. Whoop. So I'll fold this up. And cook the chicken, cook all that. So I gotta stretch all this. This will be Oh, we can just So put the oven on. This is a pain in the ass.
Still going?
Yeah. Just
What do you make for chicken?
and we got the chicken. Oh, let's try. Get these. Put it on. Okay. Let's see, the stuff I don't have, I can take it to work for my lunch. I'll put the sauce. Thursday night or something, yeah. Over my come back. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching how to make sweet chili nibbles. And I put the other hot sauce with it. It's just an easy recipe. Subscribe, push the notification bell. More videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. Bye-bye.